Hello, welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning and good morning to one and all who are watching all my videos on YouTube, that is SAROJINI Smart Learning. So thank you very much for your feedback and hope you are going one by one, step by step, and many of the students are writing their notes and preparing and they are sending comments on my WhatsApp number also. So down I am giving my number in case of any emergency or if you want to contact. You can contact with me and clarify your doubts. Okay, so for the last few episodes we are doing in different topics. So among that, in the last episode we discussed about profit and loss. So what is the profit, what is loss, what is profit percent, what is loss percent, we have covered. So among those I would like to give some examples with the different numbers so that you can understand the whole topic in a proper manner. Okay, so now we'll start profit and loss sums. Okay, so our topic is profit and loss. So here I selected few questions. So among those few questions I'll give examples, then you can practice it. Okay, here on the board I gave a question. Now you have to read it, understand it and try to do it. What is the question given? An article was bought for rupees 650. So some article, whatever it may be, we bought from outside. That means we purchased it. That means that is a cost price. So cost price of an article is equal to rupees 650. Okay. And sold it for rupees 750. So we bought for 650, that is cost price. And again, we sold it the same article for 750. Find gain percent or loss percent. So we don't know whether it is gain or loss. Gain is nothing but profit. I already told. Gain is nothing but profit itself and profit is nothing but gain. So here, we have to find out whether it is profit or loss. So if you compare, here selling price is more than cost price, which is equal to profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal to what is selling price now? 750 minus what is cost price? 650. So which is equal to 100 rupees, isn't it? So 100 rupees is profit. So, but in the question, he asked you to find out the percentage. That means profit percent is equal to, what is the profit percent formula? Profit by cost price into 100. In the last episode, I gave in full details about the formulas and percentages. So, profit percent is equal to, what is the profit you got? 100 rupees. So, what is the cost price? 650 rupees into 100. So here 0 get cancelled. So how much it will go? 5 13s are 5 20s are. So this is 20 into 10 by 13. So that is 200 by 13. 200 by 13 is 200 divided by 13. You can do 1s are 13, 7, 0, 5 is 65, again 5 will remain, 0.0. At an average, we'll get 15.4% is the profit on that article. I'll let you know. First, the thing is a person bought an article for 650, that is the cost price, and sold it for 750, that is the selling price. Now here the selling price is more than the cost price, which we call profit. We can call profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 750 minus 650, which is equal to 100. So generally 100 is his profit. So if you want to convert the profit into profit percent, so profit by cost price into 100 is the formula. So 100 by 650 into 100 on get cancellation, you will get an average. Sometimes we will not get an accurate answer. So here 13 4 is actually 52. 52 you will get, but at an average we can take out in this way. Okay. So we'll take one more example and we'll find out in a different mode, right? Yeah, we'll take one more question. As I told, a man bought a chair for 300 rupees. A man bought a chair from outside. That means he has purchased, that is cost price of chair is equal to rupees 300. This is the first step is over. And sold it for 250. That means selling price is equal to 250. Now if you compare, cost price is greater than selling price, which is equal to loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So loss is equal to cost price how much? Rupees 300 minus what is selling price? 250, which is equal to 50 rupees. So his loss how much? 50 rupees is the loss, because he purchased for 300 and sold it back for 250 only. So 50 rupees is the loss. So if you want to find out loss percent, as I told, loss by cost price into 100 is the formula. What is that? Loss by cost price into 100. So loss percent is equal to, what is loss? 50 rupees by, what is the cost price? 300 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So loss percent is equal to 50 by 3. So again 50 divided by 3 means at an average 3 ones are 3, 2 zeros, 7s are 21. So this will not go, but at an average we can take 17%. Suppose if you want to do accurate, so this is 6 18, again 2 will left, if you put a dot 0, again 6 18, like that. So it will come 16.66666%. So for which we can write 17% is the profit percent. In this way you can find out it may be profit percent or loss percent. We'll take one more example. Okay. So with another example, we'll back now. Now here a man purchased a TV for 22,565 rupees. He has purchased it from where? From a shop. So he has to pay it. That is the cost. So we call cost price of TV is equal to how much? Rupees 22,565. And sold it for, that is selling price. Selling price of TV is equal to rupees 22,556 rupees. Now there is a small difference. 565 and 556. So here if you compare now, your cost price is more than selling price, which is equal to loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So how much? This is cost price is 22,565 minus 22,556. So if you calculate that one, the difference will be 9. So overall you got a loss of 9 rupees. And you know very well, loss percent if you want to find out, what is the formula? Whatever the loss you got divided by cost price into 100. In this way we can find out it may be loss percent or it may gain percent. So with this one, I'll give one more example so that you can understand everything in this chapter. Okay. Rakesh bought a book for 15 rupees. So he purchased a book from the shop for 15 rupees. That means cost price of the book is equal to rupees 15. And then he sold it for rupees 17. That is selling price of the book is equal to how much? 17 rupees. Now if you see which is greater, selling price is greater than cost price, which is equal to profit. And the question is given, find is gain percent or loss percent. Find is gain percent or loss. We don't know whether it is gain or loss. So first we have to find out. So by seeing the number, we find it is profit, that is selling price minus cost price. What is selling price? 17. What is cost price? 15. What is the profit now? 2 rupees. So in this way, by seeing the question itself, we can find it. And what is profit percent? Profit by cost price into 100. What is profit? 2 rupees. And what is the cost price? 15 into 100. So here, if it doesn't get cancelled, you just get cancel it. So 2 into 20 by 3. So that is 40 by 3. Now do it in the rough column. So 3 ones are 3, 1 0, 3 threes are 9, again 1 0, decimal point, 3 threes are 9, 1 0, again 3. So it is 13.33% also. We can write it off. Okay. In this way, we can find out what is profit, what is loss, what is profit percent, what is loss percent. If he gives the cost price of an article and selling price of an article. If he gives both these two, then we can find out the profit and loss account. These all the things will be done only in the shops and business, not at home. So every person, whoever sells, whoever purchases, so we should have this sense of doing business. So how much percent should be taken from the other person when he sold the articles. In this way, we can find out profit and loss account, profit and loss chapter. Okay. Hope you understood this chapter. Thanks for watching and hope you will watch step by step from the beginning of my videos. Thank you very much.